بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والتين والزيتون.
By the oath of the fig and the olive,
وطور سينين.
and by Mount Sinai,
وهذا البلد الأمين.
and by this secure city, i.e. Mecca.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم.
We have indeed created man in the best form,
ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين.
we then turned him towards the lowest of the low estate, i.e. old age,
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون.
except those who believed and did good deeds, that for them is limitless reward.
فما يكذبك بعد بالدين.
Now, after all these proofs, what causes you to belie the judgment day?
أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين.
Is Allah not the greatest ruler of all rulers?
صدق الله العظيم.